Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the Grok Mentoring Program, and today is Tuesday, January 4th, 2011. Okay, here we are looking at the S&P, and it's funny how in one day's time how the winds can change. Yesterday we had a huge bullish day. We broke out above this high base. Things looked well. However, today we've got a lower high. So the bears won control of the bulls there. They were able to prevent them from making a higher high. However, the bulls prevented the bears from making a lower low. We in fact have a higher low. So we've got some indecision here on the S&P. Little break in the action. Now make sure I'm sure you've watched Dez's video by now, but if you haven't, watch his his post-market analysis. He had some very good information about how the Russells compared to the Dow today. So if you have not checked that out, make sure you take a look, because I would heed his advice. Now we're going to begin tonight by looking at our bull stock of the week. That is GNTX, GNTX. And here we go. We're still in that base. Now we need to take a really close look at this. And you can see here that we are sitting right on our trend line now. We're sitting right on support. There's not much room for this guy to break out tomorrow. It's very possible we could have a little head here if we don't break out or break out tomorrow. However, if we close below this trend line here tomorrow, if we close outside, it's not going to look as tempting as it did yesterday. It's still something to keep on your radar. However, if it does base past this trend line, it doesn't look as exciting to me, I'm trying to say. So we're going to have to keep our eye on this one now. Possible entry orders could still be possible above here with your stop underneath the base, with potential target up in this area. However, though, we're going to have to pay special close attention to tomorrow's print to see what to do with this guy if we don't get entered beforehand. Okay, you know what, one other thing I want to show you is the 60-minute. You can see on the 60-minute yesterday we looked like this, which it looked like we were about to possibly form a lower swing low and maybe form a higher swing high. You can see today we're actually kind of heading downward here. Now again, we're in a base, so it's expected in a base to go up, chop down, up, down, choppy, choppy. That's what a base is. But all I'm trying to say is not looking as bullish as it did yesterday. But just as the broad markets change today, so can this picture tomorrow. So keep your eye on GNTX. Now PEG is our bearish stock that we are tracking this week. And yesterday we were talking about how PEG is in a downtrend. You can see it here, and then we have this mini uptrend, and we called this a bear flag yesterday. Possible entry on this would be if we break out of this flag. Now you can see we did trade down lower today, but we closed above it. We want to see a close below this diagonal here. If so, that is a possible shorting signal. And where can we go? Well, how far can we drop? Well, we'll have to look back in time for that. And you can see we do have some support down here at the base of the flag, at the start of the flag. Okay, that's major support. If we break through that, we'll have to look back here, and we can actually draw this in this line in right now. It'd be right in this area here, right from there. Okay, so there's some possible targets to look for, but again, don't jump the gun here. We want to see what the broad markets are going to do. If the broad markets do break down, this is definitely a good possible shorting candidate. So good luck on that. Hope you all had a great trading day today, and we'll be talking to you again tomorrow night. Take care, everybody.